Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Destiny credit card, secure account access step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Type the official Destiny credit card website address into the address bar and press enter. Confirm you are on the real site by checking for HTTPS and the padlock icon in the browser. Locate the Sign In or Login button on the homepage and click or tap it. On the login screen, find the field for your username or user ID. Enter your username carefully and double-check for typos. Move to the password field and type your password exactly as created. If you are in a public place, ensure no one can see your screen while you type. If the website offers a show password option, use it briefly to verify accuracy, then hide it again. Click or tap the Login or Sign In button to submit your details. If prompted for a verification code, choose your preferred method like SMS or email. Open your messages or email and locate the one-time security code. Return to the login page and enter the code within the time limit. Select Trust this device only if it is your personal device and you are in a private location. Wait for the account dashboard to load fully before clicking anything else. Verify you see your name or partial account information to confirm you are logged in. Navigate to your account summary to view your balance, available credit, and recent activity. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter the requested information such as email, phone number, or last 4 digits as prompted. Follow the reset link or code instructions and create a strong new password. Use a unique password that you do not reuse on other websites. If you forgot your username, look for Forgot Username or Account Recovery options. Recover your username using the verified contact method shown on the screen. If you are using a shared computer, avoid saving passwords in the browser. After finishing, find the Logout or Sign Out option in the menu. Click Sign Out and wait until you return to the login screen. Close the browser tab to prevent anyone from reopening your session. If login fails repeatedly, contact Destiny Credit Card customer support through the official help page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.